Now my story tells you, oh, a lad, oh, I'll just hang well. Hier ocht is ore bister on the men's a piker's hull. Oh, cheerier chap, you never saw just something like myself. Until in echter wal got fu bad luck on him befell. Nu this bad luck it in the form of big fat Jeanie bell. 30 stone no muslin been 12 times as big as myself. Nu will good foo she took her chance and she got off her mark. For she dragged him to the right star with a long tail on his sark. Nu beside his spouse sure brave well stood the sweat of him did rise. For his bonnet head was dichter each a hechte Jeanie stays. Nu Will began to sober up, he saw what was in store, and he had another look at her, and he made tracks for the door. For the money wi' the Bible glory thought this off a queer, for standing like the law there, Jeanie didna steer. Nu Will he wasna turning back, but he never made the stair, for she clamped her foot and nailed him with a sartail to the flare. Nu Will complains in bed at night, he doesna get his share. His sleep is often broken when he gains down on the flare. Get up, ye Phil, and mak some tea, you'll hear his good wife bark. As a laugh to see Will mak and tea dressed in his long tail sark. Nu the gaffer speers at Will each morn, how is your lit for work? Says Will the wife was lying on the long tail o' my sark. Says he to Will, man, that's no right, just try this for a lark, and slip into your bed the night without your long tail sark. Now you should see Will's family new, each one is 6'3". 5 big strapping daughters and sons where Will has 3. Now Jeanie says, look here, my man, your bite's worse than your bark. I think the time has come for you to wear your long tail sark.